Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick tutorial on how to install Red Alert 2 on your Android device. So first thing first, you need to download the emulator of which we're gonna be using to run Red Alert 2. This emulator is called Winulator. I'll provide the links in the description for you to download it. Second thing you're gonna need is the Red Alert 2 game base files. So basically, if you have it installed on your computer, you're gonna just copy it through a USB cable connection or whatever. It's basically the game. And then you're gonna place it in the download section, download folder on your phone in the internal storage. This is the directory required for Winulator to actually locate your game files. So copy it and place it in the download section. Then after you have installed Winulator, you just open the app. You're not gonna have those containers, you're just gonna create a new container. I'll provide the configuration of which you're gonna be configuring here for the container in order to get Red Alert 2 working. Once you have the container ready, you're gonna just hit the three dots and hit on run. So basically you're running a wine environment which looks a lot like a Windows environment. First thing first, you're gonna open Drive D. Drive D is basically your downloads directory. So we're gonna open Red Alert from here. I just copied it in downloads. So let's take out the S Pen and we're good to go. That's it. That's all.
Vehicle ready. Bound forward. Commencing assault.
Unit ready.